doing a tweet is killing themselves. They are killing, they are hurting their own country and the state which has helped them. Where they were last 25 years. It is this Bangalore has contributed everything to them. If they want to hurt themselves, it is left to them.
So how is the work progressing, sir, as far as pothole filling is concerned?
We are doing our best. See why we did this Madhavpura and KR-Puram, the smallest IT hub. We have made one corporation because that corporation should not have given money to other places. That corporation with only 50 wards is the tax collection is only 1,600 crores in only one corporation. The entire Bangalore is 6,000 crores. So we want that corporation with 50 wards for only keeping the IT sector in our eyes. We know that they are suffering. What the population of there is there. We want to help them. That is why we have created this Greater Bangalore and 5 corporation, and only that money, whatever comes to them in the form of tax, let it be there. I am coming out with the policy of this CSR policy. Let them declare whatever they are giving, who is giving, where that money is going. Let them come out with on their websites what is it they are doing. I don't want to question them. I am telling you, you should be patient. If you want to tweet, blackmailers, threateners, it is left to them. But we are there. We are a progressive government. We are a positive government. Why did the Prime Minister tell that this is a global city? They are working against the Prime Minister. They are working against the state, calling this. It is not China. This is a democratic setup here. China is a communist road. Any road they can break and do it whatever they can. In Karnataka and India, you can't do it. Will they allow their property to be broken for widening the roads? No one will allow it. There is a limitation for everything. Let there be patience. How they have grown, where they were, first let them go. If you forget the route, you will not get the fruit. The route is Bangalore and Karnataka and the people of Karnataka.
Sir, telling the Congress